Hey everyone, welcome back to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making something truly irresistible, crispy bacon-wrapped pineapple bites with a spicy honey glaze. This recipe is a perfect balance of sweet, smoky, and spicy flavors, and the best part? It's super easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. Whether you're hosting a party, looking for a quick snack, or just want to try something different, this dish will be a total hit. So, let's get started. First, grab a fresh pineapple and cut it into bite-sized chunks, not too big, not too small, just the right size to get a perfect balance of flavors in every bite. Next, in a bowl, mix black pepper, salt, and chili powder. This simple spice mix will add a nice kick to our bacon. Instead of just sprinkling it, we're going to brush it evenly over the pork bacon, making sure every piece is coated with that delicious seasoning. This helps lock in flavor and gives every bite that extra punch. Now, take each bacon slice and cut it in half. Wrap each piece around a pineapple chunk and secure it with a toothpick. This not only holds everything together but also makes them easy to pick up and eat. Once wrapped, place them neatly on a baking tray lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake these beauties for 20 minutes. This allows the bacon to crisp up while the pineapple caramelizes, releasing its natural sweetness. While that's baking, let's whip up the spicy honey glaze. This is what takes this recipe to the next level. In a small saucepan over medium heat, melt a little butter for richness. Then, add honey, soy sauce, chili flakes, smoked paprika, and freshly chopped garlic. Stir everything well and let it simmer for about 2 minutes until it thickens slightly. This glaze is packed with flavor, sweet, spicy, and a little smoky. Once the bacon-wrapped pineapple is done baking, take them out and generously brush each piece with the spicy honey glaze. Pop them back into the oven for another 5 minutes to allow the glaze to caramelize and create a sticky, glossy finish. And that's it. Your crispy, juicy, spicy sweet bacon-wrapped pineapple bites are ready to serve. These are best enjoyed hot and fresh, with some extra glaze on the side for dipping. If you love quick and flavorful recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LK Dinner Time. Let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe or if you've tried any cool variations. See you in the next delicious video. Happy cooking!